Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today we will explore a very commonly used term, ton, sometimes confused with different meanings and different application. So we will explore it further so that we can avoid it while using these terms and don't use them interchangeably and avoid any kind of a confusion in the calculations for the students and the professionals. So the ton is basically sometimes you see ton and sometimes you see TONNE. So these are the two types of ton which are used in the field and scientific studies. The one aspect is mass related terminology, and the second is the in energy, specifically in the refrigeration terminology, we also use the ton. So first we explore the mass aspect of ton. In the SI system, we use the term metric ton, denoted by the capital M and capital T. And we also have a US ton, which is a short ton. Uh, and the third term is the imperial or UK ton. It is also considered the long ton. What they actually mean? So, first if we see in the SI system, it is a TONNE, which actually means the metric ton. So whenever you see double ONE in the ton, this means that it is a metric ton, either denoted by the capital M, capital T, and this means that this ton is comprises of 100 kg or 2204.62 pound mass. So this is the ton with double ONE having 1,000 kg in terms of mass. Similarly, if we use the short ton or US ton, this actually means 2000 pound mass, which is actually equal to 907 kgs. So whenever you see US ton or short ton, this means this is equal to 2000 pound mass. So this has been configured based on the pound mass, not like a metric system, not in terms of kg. So we have one short term ton equal to 907 kg. Similarly, we have a long ton, UK ton or imperial ton, where one long ton is equal to 2240 pound mass, which is equivalent to 1016 kgs. So, you see how different denotions or different symbols actually make these terms entirely different, and when you use it in calculation, please be careful on these. So this because the interconversion of pound mass to grams is 1 pound mass have 454 grams. So this is the conversion factor is the same. So it is a kind of you can say a block uh, to start with, in metric ton, the kg, 1,000 kg is the initial thing. In US ton or short ton, the pound mass is the primary term, and in imperial or UK ton, it is again the pound mass, which is actually normally converted into the kgs. So, metric ton primarily focuses on the kgs, and short ton and long ton are based on the pound mass. And normally in the calculations of GHG emissions, we also see this capital M and capital T. So this actually means the metric, not the million. So again, here another thing that don't confuse this M with million, because sometimes we have CO2 emissions in millions of ton as well. So if you again only see the capital M, capital T together, so it will be a kind of a metric ton when considering the GHG emissions. So in terms of kg, we have these relationship. TONNE ton is equal to metric ton. Is also is equal to metric TONNE. So all these we can use it for the 1000 kgs, whereas US ton is 907 kgs and imperial and UK ton is a 1016 kgs. And we can say that UK ton is the uh, biggest mass. Then comes the metric ton, and US ton is the uh, lowest mass in these three terms. And in terms of pound mass, we can also compare it like US ton is 2000 pounds, metric ton is 2205, and UK ton, which is the greatest, is the 2240 pounds. So now we come to the energy part where we normally denote the refrigeration capacity in ton. So why it is because of the history. Historically, in ice trading, this ton is used because of this definition. 1 ton of refrigeration is the rate of heat transfer equivalent to melting one short term of. So again, you see, uh, this is US short ton, which is equivalent to 2000 pound of ice at 32 degree Fahrenheit over a 24-hour period. So this is interchangeably used as a 12,000 BTU heat removed or gained depending upon it, either you are cooling or heating. So 1 ton of refrigeration is equivalent to 12,000 BTU per hour energy, or in terms of kilowatt, it is around 3.517 kilowatt equivalent. So here you see a kind of a different terminologies which sometimes can be confused. So hopefully this will make you a lot clearer on these terms for the mass or the energy or even different denotions within the mass as well. So hopefully you will find it useful and it will be helpful to actually understand and using the term of ton for mass or energy. So thank you for visiting my channel. Hope to see you again for some with some interesting video. So thank you once again.